Namar gajing mam sengo shingancho halag shinong kathaw kinong shinong kalapangat kebejumat gajing syak pendik gajing syak thombor hai gejat bendreu karbi kabla kata ka kame kaji jinginong ram ha ka khalai trik jemang arhajar arpun rio kilawan kio shkonong ba shilong ban penpaw gajing sengo bitar kinong shinong rengkat gajing kershan bapura ne geseng balang ge bagentup ka KSU GSU GNC bat HFU kilawan tur syakamat ka secretariat shilong bandawai ka hok bat gajing ada ge bapura ne ge bentak shinong kathaw kini gaji kelas dang nado umat sana mukyang nang ba obadan hajan ke civil hospital Shillong ba kilaya cedek secretariat ban penpau kijing sokya halor ka jimle jubor ke sarkar Assam ke bela penlong pinong rat ban chong sir bat syap tiang manlej cikilengkha bakin pendap lagi kam wahet chnong ka lapangap uba Taiwan mi lengdo abakran nang ngi ula penpau ban do ka senam arajar arpulai kinong shnong kilamat egijing penting pensmiat bat kim yo asyo ban rap ban riang da kebasok namar ke jemput maman la kapor da ki karbi wala la penlong ya ke peace meeting ha ke santrik ujemang ha kanduli ndai kam sunadan kanu kanu ke jengkala ne kerai ke bapen singan ni kinok sok snong wat adien bagi karbi ke lapan por ban pensengu tho ya ki parajat ben riu jengki ka jingsha kanglat bat ke jingsha abe aki pret asam rangkat ki karbi kadang beteng hadu mentah kabla penlong ya kador bar snong ban bo de jing dawa ki betek ya hakmat ke sarkar MDA ki jing dawa ki bagas snong kala kentu ke sarkar ki kentu ba ke sarkar ke ban aino ya karai ke bakat do ban penne ya ke jing sok nang bagi nong sok snong kin yo ban rap ke basok ban weng no mardor ka kam ki pulit asam na lum penthor ke bahab apok snong lapangap bat ban penbet no ya ulan yo bapen ni ke GPS bat Google Map ba ke sarkar Assam kala pen bakla ban ring jubor syaga kendau ka Meghalaya nang tai kala dawaru baka sarkar ke dibentum no iki pulit pahara banyada iki nong rap baro hala pengap nang bandat ngejing tombor kinong Assam bat banwan ra ngejing sok kebayaine wahet chnong ula kentu baka sarkar ke dei bencim kya mardor ke negamat namar kalong ke basmusi ben i bawat lada kidi ki paranong India bagi no shnong kala pengap kila sulong merau hala kejong ke jaka namar kejing mamnon kejing shingan ba kejing ada ke babiang nakibor ke sarkar
Tawag ka jingwan jungi ginong song hangtay namar bana to por sa por ni dawa ban ni karpat ro ni to government bakan yarap yang ni kantam ni ginong rep ki jungi ba nado usne maraja ro ko bai ba nado menta ginong rep jungi ke le rep to bersir to shapting bat ke jing pentot jung to ki kar biru na ko por sa por tengah yoi bana do waraja ro ko lai hadu menta bana galeng ko government kam sim ya ka sinjam ke bawah tang ba mangi kum kinong song yang jawab ban suk ka kete jaka tadai na kata kata ba penlong yang ni kum kinong song ban wan song ban dawa na ka government ba government kate ban le ai ha jingi de ban kene kam tang ba kinong rep jingi kin jawab ban le rep suk lam don ba penting ba persmai ba lam don ro ba dawa ya ka hok jingi kum kinong song
mangi i kaladon kata kajing persyang jongki ban wan rai kajing suk akte kathan ke i ka baja hadien jong katu kajing persyang jongki
katoyo la se kadai tang kajing kran buto to nong karbi namar hawa ja to kesan tarik jong ne punai keladap ya pelong ya to ka peace meeting hate kan beli dan kalian jong karbi ki pha ap yang bagi ong ba yai ap stang arsni nang mengin pen kenang mengin pelum penlang ya ki pa karbi ban persel tho iki bat hadin katangin ai biang ka jeng pentip sapi ka jeng pentip ka bawah tengi yai ap ya kita arsni padadin kata ka ars ngiru kat pompat yo ko ko na kaleng jong to karbi uang ba siap hayai ap sakat to kate tingin nang yai ap ado kus nginong kong jong kate tingin i ba ado kus nginong kong jong kate yo ko bor kampoy ra ka yo ka ka bor bahagen tadai na kata ba na kaleng jong ikum ki nong song snong tamar mangiyo i ba ka kamre pala der buta tomban seri ginong song snong man perkat ko ba gijumut ban yelai dawa na ka kornan kakane ka kamera pa jong
hatu kadang don kajing sha khang ba pinle rap hakitu ki jaka ke badan ajan jong ka karbi
oh jadu manta kajing syak khang lat kajing syak pentu ta kini kinong karbi bat kamtam yu gitu ki pulis Assam ki ba song to lum pentor lapangam paman bagi nong song jongi ki le rap seto gitu ki pulit bat ki karbi ki wan bagi ban pentu bat lek be le jayu ki nong rap sungi na gitu ki cakar rap
ke kajing kwa jong pi menta ka singi ma ban exposure ke sarkar
em na kaleng jongi kam ka kum ka dorbal sno ka jing kwa ka bakong san na ka long ba mangi kum kinong song snong ni yo ban ni ka kormen ka dai ban ai kata ka rai ke bakatu ba mengi ke kong kinong sungtong ngan yo ban de rap suk hang te ke ba arban ke government ke de ban yakren bat ka government jong asam nang ba baro ar state kin ya perkat ban weng swa ye kita ki ye ketuka police kam temporary police kam jong ka asam hoto bilu petot nang bakan long singan yingi kinong rem kebalai na kaleng jong ki dor bas nong idawa ba yo to GPS lain kubalamak daka sorkar asam sudah way udang pentut ya kim lang sa lang jongi ke besong kita ki boda ini kita ngikut kerpat daga government baka government kedai ban pendam no sistem don yo GPS lain nang bakan nom pentut yang kinong ki besong basa kita ki boda kat bompat yang lane kat bompat pendep yo putusam kita ki thai
Kalian so dan gajing khat ya kan mendasni kena kalian jong pi ka ai karai so hun
am karai ka bakatu ikadai jong pajba nong song la dai bagi pajba nong song ki yo ya karai ka ba ko mo yo la se ka kam dia la dai bagi nong song kim yo ya karai na ka government ka ba yo la se ki nong song ki la ban sa ne so sandong hatu banda yo ya kita ki jung mo ka ba la ki jung mo ka ba jang ro ba so
I kedan kajing sim sting ya kani kamat harai kaba pelong ba kat haduk mentar kimpat kinong senong kimpat iyo kata kajing suk jing sanya pok senong kataung tai
am hawaj kane kadai ka jing singtim jong ka government namala dai ba ka government ka ya kendo barabor bat ka government jong ka asam harai pa maki kin kila ban ai ka rai lane kila ban ai lat yang ikum kinong rem namar mangirum kinong ngi yalong hakaju kari para nong India tabalay yang ngilong marawa kadai ki jaka kadai ki jaka leco.
There are many peace talks with the Karbi people, and all those peace talks are in vain. Nothing has been done. There has been no, even the government, if our government cannot protect our people, then who will protect us? The Assam government also did nothing to talk with the Karbi people. Actually, what we want is peace. They are also tribal people, we are also tribal people. What we want is peace. We don't want any war or any kind of fighting among ourselves. But it seems like that is what they want. They want us to fight against them. And this is a message to Karbi people. We have had enough. We are fed up, even of our own government also. And if we have to go to war with them, we will go. We are ready with the Khasi Students Union, along with the people of Lapangap. We are fed up of our government. After how many years our people are surviving in their paddy field, going to work, plowing the field, but still our government cannot protect our people. So if they cannot do that, then we have to take the matters in our own hand. That is what we want to do.
Henry kajing yopan odi tu kebaro kala long dirpor ke kadai jig jundo nong ga khrab hai nong rep ke mentau snem pat la de ke por ga samoy ban her ban rep Henry kajing e ka peteng biang ka mi biang kajing e ha ga ba ki pulit asam ki kimsha ba ki nong rep ki wan rep kadang jing hangla ki te ngi ba hadu manta mani ka kam dei kam mi so mislah ra kam long pher mo kam katai
jika ai pakajing dawa jong pi ka sarkar mentakas ni lada piyo benit ya kendu iki
ka jing dawa jongi ba kalong ba tanggawe hi ba ki nong rep ki de ban yo rep oi ni so ba ban pembek yu pur usam ka simpor kadang kami sarkar ban yo i ka por ka ba biang ba Henry ka batong san hi kalong ba ki nong rep ki de ban yo ban rep hakilang khala jong kamar kam kitu kilang hakim de ki jong ki karbi ki de ki jong ki dok islam jong ki jong pangap angte ki chong hok dan hok ban ni rep makin lum ban lang yu ba phau
Kesorkar MDA lengbau sembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba senyau balangthar kelasi kesenjam ke pemardor banekan bikin ilam senong kalapangap bat keseng balang hadian kejing wantur jeng kipat ba sa secretariat hasunong kini kejing ki kelami na kejing bitar halor kejing mamyo syuk kinong rap banet sikilengkha nama kejing tombor ke babeteng na keleng ki karbi ha kejaka kaput ha West Janta Hills ha kejing elang ke beladon lang ki hek sorkar bagi bor pulet kesorkar kelakular ban pembiang ki bor pahara na ke bobokno igi pulet SF10 haki pos ke badan hang dengan than nado kas nipale. Deputy Commissioner ke District West Janta Hills Abhinav Kumar Singh. Ulawan hi syasurak ban pensengo kamad ba kaliang kajing singan kan long kakam ka ba kamat ya ban mau rengkat baru SP kena hi syamadan ban pitikna ba kam rep kam riang kan niat bed kam kanu kajing song sir. Uba senyaw balang dhar ula pensyai bagani ke jing penbiang pulit ke de banyadai kala di okam yo jam joki nong rap hakane ka ayom rap bat om dei banyadai bat ka kamput kamsam kabadang yat hakaran san ekran apdeng ki arti ligi jela. Uli itu ru bagi jing ekran bagi Sarkar Asam kan sabeteng biang leng bagi Regional Committee syan hadian bagi Sarkar Asam kala penbet gid khot thamai jongka. Halor kini ke jing pular kinong syok shnong kila rai ban sangi ano ke jing ki ndai kila maham tenge belada ke Sarkar kamla ban pendep elaka kular kin sami biang baneki da ka bakham teng e.
The people of Lapangap village and some of the NGOs met me about this Lapangap issues. So there is some things happening for the last few days. So about now it's a time to go for the farmer has it's a time to go to cultivate their land. So there is some disturb from the Karbi side. So about the issue they met me. So we had a very fruitful and good meeting with them. So but I showed them from the government try to do at our level best to protect our people. Peace should be maintained as usual. And they are coming and discussing about this, their livelihood which are a part of the village Lapangap which has been normal for the last so many have been cultivated paddy field in the Karbi side. That this is not about our issues, it's their state level subject. So today they came and request us, so it seems some of the Karbi people disturb them. So we are assured that we'll provide them full force from tomorrow onwards. So make sure the cultivate should be nicely, nobody should disturb.
So will you also take up this matter with counterparts?
No, obviously. You see, because as of now we had discussed this, so both the DC will discuss first, and even they had discussed this last few days also. So there is some more to be discussed. So, and even since the government of Assam has formed the new government yesterday itself, so obviously our chief minister has told me that he will discuss this issue even with the honorable chief minister of Assam also. So we are waiting as soon as the government of Assam appoint the new chairman of the regional committee from that side. So we will take a call. We will meet the other counterpart in the appropriate time. Assure them we have promised them we will provide sufficient force so that their activity should not be disturbed.
So immediately because
It's already there, but some more they need, and we'll provide more immediately.
how many
No, we'll provide as per needed.